Opening a day or spot trade on the easyMarkets platform is exactly that. Easy. Log into your account and you'll go directly to the trading platform. The central box is your trading ticket. From here, you will select how you want to trade: day trade, forward deal, pending order, or vanilla options. Let's head over to the Market Explorer to select a market to trade as a day trade. As you can see, it's organized in the categories of Forex for currency pairs, Commodities, which includes energy commodities like oil and gas, and agricultural commodities like wheat and corn, indices, metals, and the markets available to trade as options. You can easily search for the market you want in the search bar. Let's put in the GBP, and we'll see all the GBP pairs you can trade. You can favorite a pair, and it will conveniently be added to your favorites. Click on the market you want to trade, and you will see that it's been added to the trade ticket. You will also see that the chart and the inside viewer are updated to match the market you wish to trade. The News tab has been updated with all the latest news for this pair, and you can view their trading signals. We've also conveniently added a quick view of your open positions here. After analyzing the markets with these critical fundamental and technical tools, you are ready to open a trade. Select the amount to trade. This is the size of your deal after leverage. And then select the amount to risk. This is the maximum you could lose if the rate goes against you. The amount to risk defines your guaranteed stop-loss rate also. You're able to modify the amount and rate after you place your trade if you want. If you want to apply deal cancellation to your deal, so you can easily cancel a losing deal and not risk losing your money, then now is the time to do it. We won't turn it on for this video, but check out our deal cancellation video to find out more about this unique risk-free feature. To see more information including the expiry date of this trade, click on this arrow. Now all you need to do is either buy or sell the market. If you think the pound will strengthen against the dollar, then you may buy the GBP USD by clicking Buy. If you think the pound will weaken, then you may sell the GBP USD by clicking Sell. You'll get a confirmation screen, and from here you can click to view your current trades. This will take you to your current open trades report, where you can monitor your deal. From here, you can modify the deal, change my stop loss, and set a take profit. You can also close your deal, or multiple deals in one go. That's it. You've just opened, modified, and closed your first easyMarkets deal.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.